Hi there, so I'm back with another video at the mall. I'm here, I'm having my coffee today, and also I will be cutting out my stickers, which I reprinted because the first one was too small. I will use my cutting mat, a cutter, and some metal rulers. And then I also printed my pages for August, and later I will show you a flip through after I'm done with my August bullet journal. So these are the pages of my August planner. I made a cover page for each month, so you may choose to use this planner any time of the year. So here's how I print my planner booklet. First, I choose the pages that I want to print. So that's page 8 for the August cover page, and then 13 to 27 for the rest of the booklet. I'm choosing 16 pages because I'm going to print on 4 sheets of A4 size paper. Click booklet, and then choose to print the front side only. And make sure that the settings says left binding. Okay, now when you go to page setup, I'm choosing an A4 size paper without margins because my printer does not print borderless. So it's easier for me if I just do this. And then for the printer settings, I'm choosing to print the best quality. And then you can already print your booklet. So make sure that you have 4 sheets of A4 size paper to make a booklet with 16 pages. And I'm using paper that's 100 GSM so that there won't be a lot of bleed through when I use my pens or markers. Hi there, so this is my printer. It's an HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 3777, and it's an air printer as well. My only issue with this is that it does not print borderless. There are white spaces around my front cover page and the back page also. So at the end of this sheet is a few extra centimeters. So it's not centered as it should be, but it's okay. I can live with it, and it will still be a pretty planner. So after printing the front side only, take the printed pages, flip it, and then feed it back to the printer. So again, hold the printed pages firmly, flip it, and then feed it back to the printer. And then you can go back to your laptop and print the back side only. We're going to print the back side this time. Make sure that you choose the same set of pages and then choose booklet, back side only, and then left binding, and check that all of the settings are the same as when you printed the front side only. So again, it's important that you choose the same set of pages. So in this case, it's page 8 and then pages 13 to 27. Okay, so I'm finally done with my August planner set up, and before I show it to you, I will show you a quick flip through of my July bullet journal or my July planner. So I got this new notebook binder, but I can't find it online, so I don't know where to recommend that you buy it. But maybe it's in your local shops. It's really useful. Now I only have to punch 8 holes instead of 20. I used to bind the booklet with a staple wire, but in August I didn't have to do that. So I didn't do that for August, and it's still intact. So that's a good thing. Less work for me. Okay, and this is my July planner. The theme for this month is flamingos. And as you can see, it's very colorful. I put all my flamingo washi tape and stickers. And also this month we're celebrating our first wedding anniversary, which is next week. And that's my dashboard. And then here's my mood tracker. And then this is my health tracker. So I'm listing down my snacks for the day and 3 habits. Finance planner, I'm using a new layout, and I'm going to change it again for August until I find the perfect one for me. And these are my weekly layouts. So as you can see, it's very colorful. I'm using some stickers from cutefreebies.com and also some stickers that I'm working on. I'll probably put in the shop or post in the website so you can download for free. This is a laundry sticker from my Etsy shop. Oh, these black circles are from my black post-it. It's this one. So I used a circle puncher to cut it out, and also my other stickers, so I don't have to cut through the outline. And then this cat and these checklists, sorry, this and this. Those are small sticky notes that I use as stickers. So here there's more circle circle stickers. Oh, and this one, I don't know if you are familiar with this. This was it's a black sheet of paper that you scratch through and it shows the colors. So maybe I'll show that in my next video. Okay, and this is a secret keeper, so you can fold it. I'm more organized when it's vertical, not like this one. This used to work for me as well, but now I'm loving this full vertical layout, so I can write more lists and add more stickers. But I'm still printing out a horizontal layout at least once every month, so I can try it out and see. Now here's my August planner. As you can see, it's very simple, it's very muted, and I also made these stickers that I want to use for August. So these are stickers I made using a shabby chic digital pack I got from the Hungry JPEG. So there, I already cut out those stickers, and then I still have 2 more that I need to prepare for the next weeks of August. And then I also printed out these wreaths from Canva. So these are circular wreaths that again I will cut out using my circle puncher. This is a 1-inch diameter circle puncher that I'm going to use, and it's the same puncher I used for my I used with my black sticky notes. And then let me show you my first August spread. All the materials I used will be listed down in the description. Okay, and so I decided to keep this spread simple and muted but still pretty. And I put my goals and focus for the month here. Oh, and by the way, the washi stickers are from this sticker pack, which I showed you in my last video. So what I like about florals, especially the green ones, is that you can use it with whatever color theme that you have, and they will still look good. So it's my calendar spread with my goals and focus for the week. So I assign only one focus for each week. And then this is my new budget tracker. So I still have the same income, budget, and bills. So for the income, I'll write down the date, where I got the income from, how much, and how much I saved. And maybe here I'll write where I put the savings, which bank account. And then for the budget, I'll write down the categories here, the amount, the budget amount, and the actual total that I spent for the month, and some notes as well. And then I still have some bills which I pay either through a debit card or cash, and when it's due, the amount, and when I paid it. Now this is a new one. This is a weekly budget tracker which I got the idea from Jordan Page, funcheaporfree.com. Yeah, I've been following her on YouTube, and I really like her ideas. They're very simple and easy to follow. So here, this is a weekly budget. I'm setting a budget for my snacks, stationery, dog things or pet things. So that's dog food and cat food, and extra groceries. So these are in pesos. assigning an amount for each week. And what Jordan suggested is that you may borrow across the week. So if you need to spend more for stationery, for example, that means I will have to buy less groceries that week. I mean, extra groceries that week. And then, so you may borrow across the week, but you can't borrow from the next week. Okay, so this way you'll stay on budget and really save up. This is a washi sticker from the same pack, and I use my Pigma FP. This is my favorite pen right now because it writes so nicely. You know, I really get tired easily when I write things down, so this just makes my writing look better. So that's my Pigma FP. And the other Pigma pen I'm using is this, the medium brush. I use this for the big dark circles, and I also printed on 100 GSM paper, so the Pigma MB does not show through. Unlike a watercolor brush pen, coloring brush pen, it will still show through if it's very black. But this pen doesn't. So, like I said, I didn't staple my booklet, as you can see. And then after the month, I'll transfer this to a touring binder I got at Muji. This is the monthly log, but I'm using it as a blog post schedule. So this is where I plan the posts for the month, and then these are the actual posts I did for that month. I follow like around so far around 30% of my post schedule, so I hope to improve that in August. So again, the washi stickers, and then this is my spread for the first 4 days of August. So again, I used circle punchers, but this time it's a smaller circle puncher. This has a 5/8 inch diameter. My favorite white pen right now, which is the Signo. Okay, Uniball Signo. It writes better than the Sakura white pen I used last year. So, and that's it. That's my final spread for August. And then this will be my next weekly spread. I have 1, 2, 3 weeks of vertical weekly spreads, and again, I'm going to use my new stickers here, which you can download for free. Okay. Oh, by the way, these stickers are 1.5 inches wide. So if you have a happy planner or an Erin Fundren planner, you may also print this out, cut it out, and use it for your planners as well. That's a full box, a half box. This is a bigger one. I think it's a half box of the happy planner. And here, by the way, I'm using weekly habit trackers. I'm going to track only 2 habits each week, which is exercise and my bowel movement. Very important. Alright, and of course, the last week is a horizontal layout. Because some of you guys like using a horizontal layout, which I think is better if you're just doing a list of tasks. But if you're journaling along with your tasks list, like I do, then I think a vertical layout is better. So this one is better for just listing down tasks and then important events for the day, and then some notes. So again, this was made, I printed this on 4 sheets of A4 size paper. So I have 16 pages in all. Okay, so those are my weekly spreads, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so in case you're wondering, I'm in a cafe right now. My usual spot is outside, and so sometimes you'll hear noises like coffee making noises, spoons and forks. So here, this is a table where I film my video, because I promised myself that I won't make videos at home. So I design my printables at home, but and if I want to make a video, I do it outside. While I'm at the mall, I'm having my daily coffee. Okay, so this is my me time. I'm sharing my me time with you. I like to sit here when I'm filming because of the natural light. So this is where I have my daily coffee, and this is also where I spend my time alone. This is also my planner time. So it's my time to work in my planners and to do some brain dump about the blog and the printables that I make. This, of course, I'm using an A5 booklet, but each page may also be printed on an A4 size paper, like this full page, this side on one A4 size, and this is another A4 size if you want a bigger calendar spread. So you can do that. The files are big enough and they will print well. Okay, so that's all I want to say. Again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also join our email list at our website so you can get email updates whenever we have new printables for you. So that's all for now. Thanks again and have a lovely month of August. Bye!